In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would market my digital products if I had to start all over again with 0 followers, 0 audience, and as a complete beginner. I've sold over 7,000 digital products, including Notion templates, digital courses, and even high-ticket group coaching services, and it all comes down to how you market. That's the difference between making consistent sales and a product that flops and makes you feel like you wasted your time. Today, I'm giving you the 2 systems that I would put in place from day one so I could start making consistent sales without having to rely on social media or paid advertising. If you want to learn a system to market your business consistently, let's dive right into it. Hi, if you haven't met me before, my name is Leticia. I am a Brazilian living in the English coast and former healthcare worker turned digital product creator. I started an Etsy shop selling Notion template, and that became a real online business that changed everything for me. It let me move to a beach town, travel, grow my savings, and most of all, it gave me the power of choice. The reason why I'm making this video is because I've been exactly where you are. You have the desire to build something that helps people, that helps you grow your income and create more freedom for you and for your family, but you just have 0 followers, you have no audience, you have no sales, you just have no idea how you can get more eyeballs into your product so you can make more sales. And that's exactly what we are getting into today. First, my 2-part organic marketing system. Number 2 would be how to get more eyes on my products without using social media. And at the end, I'm also going to share with you a 90-day plan so you can implement this knowledge in your business right now and start building up the momentum. Okay, but before we even talk about content, we actually need to do one thing first. This is where Everbee Market Research comes in. Everbee is a market research tool that shows you the back end of what's actually selling on Etsy. Before you even think about filming a video, writing a sales page, or building a product, go to Etsy, type a keyword, find how much money people are actually making selling this product, find out the conversion rate, the tags. That process will take you just a few minutes, but it will save you a huge amount of time from creating a product no one is interested in. I'll leave my link in the description below. If I had to start building a community from scratch, I would always find ways to optimize it for sustainability. That's why I named this system the seed system. The first part of it is obviously a plant. And if I had to choose one, I would pick YouTube as my plant because YouTube is an engine, it's not social media. It's something that, yes, it does take work, but it will keep working for you years and years from now. When I say YouTube, I mean sitting down, turning on a camera, making a real video, teaching something, sharing a story, going deep on a tutorial that it took you years to figure it out. It's one huge benefit that no one really talks about, that when you start a YouTube channel, it actually makes you smarter because every time that you have to put a video together, you have to learn so many skills. You have to learn how to edit, how to come up with new ideas, how to articulate your ideas, how to speak better. Not to mention that is a great way to just learn new things and share them with other people because that's the best way to learn anything. And I know you might be thinking that why should you do all this work if AI can literally do it in seconds? AI can generate 50 YouTube shorts in 2 minutes and schedule them all. Well, you absolutely can, but so everyone else. AI is commoditizing content. Thousands of people are generating the same scripts, the same hooks, the same recycled advice, all at the push of a button. So AI is not an advantage anymore. It's actually the new baseline. What makes you different? It's you. It's your story, is your experiences. It's the struggles that you had to go through when you had to quit your 9-to-5 job, or when you had to move to a new country, or when you made your first digital sale. All of those things AI can't copy, and that becomes your advantage. And my prediction is that people who are going to win are the ones that lean into doing the hard things, that film the longer videos, that do the things that other people are just too lazy to do it because AI made them comfortable doing the bare minimum. So while everyone is just leaning toward not doing any work, leveraging AI to do everything, I feel like the creators that actually lean into doing more human things and like bringing this human side are the ones that are going to win long term. And there's a Proverbs quote sharing about that. The soul of the sluggard craves and gets nothing, while the soul of the diligent is richly supplied. Just one video a week, pick a topic that you are interested at, that you have the knowledge and the experience and that you are interested in learning about, and just publish those videos in a way that actually helps people. Film it like you are explaining something to a friend and let YouTube do its job because YouTube wants you to win too. Okay, so that is your plant. If you want to harvest something, you've got to plant it first. And you know that plants don't grow without any water. Water that I would use in the system to nurture my plant would be email. I have sold more digital products through my email list than social media posts, Instagram, TikTok combined. And to get this system up and running, you only need a few things. First, I would create a freebie, something that solves a very specific problem to my community. I know that they are struggling with this and I know I can help them for free. The next thing, I would set up a simple email sequence. I can share a little bit of my story, why I do what I do, my values. And lastly, I will set up a sales page sharing about my offer and all the details for those that are ready to take the next step. But here's what most creators miss, which is doing the unscalable things, especially in this era of AI where automations are just everywhere and robots are everywhere. The unscalable things are the best way to build trust and build a community in this day and age. And it's actually really, really simple. It's just about being a human. Go and reach out to someone that just signed up to your email list, talk to them, see what they are up to, and genuinely connect with them without expecting anything in return. And that's what builds trust. It's not the most fancy with all the bells and whistles funnel. It's actually being a human that cares about people, that actually wants to help people. Now the part that most people skip is the harvest part. I call this the 90-day trust sprint because without this, it's going to be so much harder for you to actually harvest sales and profit and growth on your business. And that's what most people do. They will skip this phase and they will go straight into selling and trying to sell their product, sell, but they haven't built that trust first. So for the first 90 days, if you are starting from scratch, that's exactly what I would do. I will start publishing content for 90 days, focusing on delivering the best content that I could to help people, to support based on what I learned, based on my experience, based on the problems that I solved for myself, and focus on that person that is just 2 steps before you. She needs a little help to get where you are right now. So you can think of this as the parable of sower. Some seeds fall on rocky grounds, some on good soil, but your job is to keep sowing. Not every viewer is going to become a customer, but the good ones on good soil, they are going to bear fruit 30, 60, and even 100 times what was planted. This is where you're going to build up that marketing muscle. And I actually did a class for my students analyzing why some YouTube shorts went viral and going deep into the psychology. So you can just do your own research and analyze why those videos are performing well. You can analyze the hook, the format, the editing style, the music, and add these elements to your own videos. Okay, now you've got the marketing system, but you are gonna need somewhere where you can host all of those things together in one place. Your website, your freebie, your sales page, your products. I made a video where I share the all-in-one software that I moved my entire business to, my website, my sales pages, my analytics, my scheduling, all in one place. No more jumping between tags, forgetting my logins, and paying for 7 different subscriptions. And I also walk you through exactly how I've built a simple funnel to deliver a freebie and sell my brand new digital product, all using one tool. Click on the next video and I'll see you right there. Bye.